Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn smart tech tricks to make your online experience cleaner and more productive. Do YouTube recommendations, comments, and sidebars constantly distract you while watching videos? Today, I'll show you how to use the Unhook Chrome extension to create a completely distraction-free YouTube experience. Step 1. Install the Unhook extension. Open your browser and search for Unhook YouTube extension. Then open the official extension page for Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Click Add to Chrome, complete the installation, then open the extensions icon and pin Unhook and make sure it's turned on. Step 2. Open YouTube with Unhook enabled. Now go to YouTube and you'll immediately notice the homepage looks much cleaner and distraction-free. The normal video feed is hidden, but you can restore it anytime by opening Unhook settings and disabling Hide Home Feed. Step 3. Watch videos without distractions. Open any YouTube video and you'll see a simplified video page with fewer distractions around it. Comments are visible by default, but you can hide them easily by enabling Hide Comments in the Unhook settings. If you enjoy learning useful browser tricks like this, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more powerful tech tips. Step 4. Hide the video sidebar. To remove recommended videos on the side, open the Unhook extension menu from your browser toolbar. Toggle the Hide Video Sidebar option to completely remove distractions while watching videos. And that's how you can use the Unhook extension to create a clean, distraction-free YouTube experience. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.